Hi guys, this is Vincent David here today and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, if at this point you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I really have no words for you. But I really want to beg you, do you like the content you see here? Don't you check the comments? Don't you see how engaging it is? Please subscribe. And like I always say, I would love you to please like my videos, because if you like my videos, Facebook tends to show it to, sorry, I'm used to Facebook. Please, I would really like you to hit the like button on my videos, because if you like my videos, YouTube tends to show it to more people and it increases the engagement, it pushes it up and further. If you drop a comment for me, I would also respond. Please like this video, drop a comment. If there's anything you want me to talk about, please drop it in the comments and I will gladly talk about it. So today I'm going to be talking about 4 types of cards you can be using to pay for your Facebook advert. Alright, so that's what we're going to be looking at today. I'm not sharing my screen today, so I'll be looking down a little bit because I want to pick the stuff I want to talk about. So we're going to be talking about 4 cards you can be using to pay for your Facebook advert. So if you run Facebook advert with a Naira ad account, a Naira ad account is the account that reads in Naira and your billed or your charge in Naira. Okay, so if you run that kind of ad account, the first thing you should understand that it is what to use to pay for your advert is called PayU. Alright, so PayU, who is the PayU payment gateway? Pay is like a third-party payment gateway that you use to receive payments. Like Facebook used to receive payments that they serve as a middleman between you and Facebook. So today, using the PayU option, we will talk about 4 different types of cards. Alright, so and also please, if you watch this video to the end, I will give you a bonus of 2 types of dollar card you can use to pay for your Facebook advert. That's if you use a dollar card. So stick to the end of this video, drop your questions if you must, and I will answer them. If there's anything you want me to talk about at all, drop it, I'll talk about them. Alright, so the first type of card, to delve straight into it, I don't want to waste your time. First type of card is your bank MasterCard. Yeah, your bank MasterCard. But I would advise you to avoid one of the banks. Alright, so stick to this video, I will tell you the bank to avoid. So use all types of bank MasterCards. They work. Zenith Bank, UBA Bank, Wema Bank, Access Bank. These MasterCards work. The second card to use is your Kuda bank app. Please, this is a disclaimer, this video is not a promotion for any of these brands I'm mentioning. I'm not promoting any of these brands because I've used them and they work. So I'm giving this video because I received this kind of comments from my video. Alright, so use your Kuda card. Alright, there's an app called Kuda, Kuda. Alright, so get that app and apply for their card and use their card. But one thing you must note about Kuda is, for an account limit that has 1 million naira per day on transactions, you can only successfully carry out only 5 OTP charges on that card every day. How do I know? Because I've used it and I can attest to it. So only 5 OTP charges can go on Kuda Bank. That means if you perform transaction more than 5 times from 12 a.m. in the morning to 12 a.m. the next day, it can only go 5 times. As long as it's an OTP transaction, only 5 times. Okay, so having said that about Kuda card, the next card to use is your Go Money card. There's a card called Go Money card. It's an app, so please get that app and get to use their cards. They work perfectly fine. The next card to use is a very beautiful card. Now, Go Money is limitless. Alright, so Go Money is limitless. Let me add this also. One of the beautiful things about Kuda bank app card is that Kuda would always refund your money in case they debit you and it does not reflect on your PayU. I've seen this happen over and over again. Kuda would always refund your money. Kuda would always refund your money. I'm telling you for free. Alright, next one is cheaper cash card. Okay, I was talking about Go Money. Sorry, for Go Money, there's no limit to Go Money. You can use Go Money as many times as you want. But once Go Money has sent you OTP more than 3 times, they tend to flag you for 24 to 48 hours because of it's like consistent OTP that you're not using. It's like a safe policy. Alright, so the next one is cheaper cash. Cheaper cash Naira card. Cheaper cash Naira card. their cards work very well for Naira card, and it's limitless, except for when they're doing system upgrade that they want. You can't, that at that point you can't transload money from the normal cheaper to the Naira card. All right, so the card, the MasterCard I say you should not use for your Facebook advert pay option now. Why? Is the GT Bank app, GTB Bank or GTB. All right. So because I've not only experienced, I've had about 5 of my friends experience this. GTB tends to send a after debit. How do I mean? If you put 100,000 naira to your GT Bank app now, and you make 5 transactions of 20k involving OTP on your pay, GT Bank will tend to send an after debit on that card, meaning they will deduct the money on the spot you're using the card, then later on they will start wiring you debit on that card. If you experience this and you use GT Bank, I know you should know this by now. Now what happens is, when they run that debit and they don't meet money in that card, they will run your account into what is called a negative balance. I've been victim of this in 3 times. The first one was in 2022, 67,000. And the painful thing is, when you go to the bank, GT Bank cannot trace this transaction. They will tell you they can't trace it, and they will print out your account statement. It's not traced. There's no way on it that this transaction happened. Now, if you don't know that your account is on debit, if you send money to that card, GT Bank would minus that debit that money, and you've paid for that advert. They've debited you for it, but your account should be in negative balance. You don't want to experience this. First experience I had with GT Bank was in 2022. I loaded my Facebook. I did an OTP transaction 3 times of 100 something K, and the money was out. Now GT Bank wired me debit 2 days after, and my account was using debit of 67,000. And one of the delivery guys paid in 87,000 into my account. Guess what GT Bank did? They removed 60,000. So they removed 67,000 and left me with 20,000. Till today, that money has not been refunded. Next one was, now I got aware and I didn't do that mistake again. Next one was 20,000 naira. Now I didn't check that time, and they wired me a negative balance and cleared that money. As I'm speaking to you right now, my GT Bank is a negative balance of 46,000 naira for a transaction I did. This is since January till now. It has not cleared. What I'm trying to let you know is, if you leave that card like that balance like that, it will not clear till whenever. I don't know why GT Bank does that, but their system for pay you and pay for Facebook is a no. I don't advise anybody at all. So the bonus of this video, I said I will give you $2 card if you do $2 card bonus if you use $1 card. The first $1 card to use is the cheaper cash $1 card. Cheaper cash $1 card. Please go ahead, the cheaper cash $1 card. The second $1 card I advise you to use is the what's that card? Is the Keystone Bank Platinum card. That's what's called, Keystone Bank Platinum card. Now these 2 cards, I believe, they are limitless and they can pay for your Facebook adverts to the degree you want to pay for. Please, did you get value from this video? Please, I would like you to subscribe. To go over it again, 4 bank cards you can use to pay for your Facebook adverts. 4 bank cards you can use to pay for your Facebook advert. First one is your MasterCard, the Naira MasterCard, except for GT Bank card, because GT Bank runs you an after debit after that transaction. The second one is your Kuda Bank card. The third one is your Go Money Bank card. The last one is your cheaper cash Naira card. If you got value from this video, please subscribe, leave me a like on this channel, share this video to someone that's been confused about cards used to pay for their Facebook advert, and I'd like to see you in the next video. Drop a comment for me. Thank you for staying. See you next time.